Okay guys, so if you want to know more about millets, come transcend because every day is a fresh start. Transform because you got this and impact because this is what you and I together. Hi, I'm Shreeya K and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. Guess what? Today I'm at the only millet bakery of Tri-City and also of India today, which is located in Chandigarh. I am standing at BakeMantra where the star ingredient is millets. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है रागी, ज्वार और बाजरा यूज करके आप हर तरह के केक्स, बिस्किट सब बना सकते हैं 100% millet based bakery which is gluten free and vegan. So let us see. And today I am also having Mr. Vikas Chawla followed by his son Mr. Vansh Chawla for an interview on my channel, and we are going to discuss and throw some light on the millet collection of the Chawlas. So guys, let me introduce you to a very young and energetic co-founder of the BakeMantra, none other than Chef Vansh Chawla. Hi Vansh.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having us over and also thank you for having my audience here. How are you today?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm also doing pretty good, thank you. And the star chef here that you can see is Mr. none other than Vikas Chawla, who is the brainchild and the founder behind the concept of Jumru and BakeMantra.
Good afternoon. How are you all, lovely people?
Okay Vansh, so please can you start me telling something about yourself?
Okay, so I did honors in culinary management from Taj Aurangabad, and then I worked at Taj Rambagh Palace for a year, which was the world's best hotel, and then I went to Kinara, which is a Michelin level restaurant by Chef Vikas Chawla for some time in Dubai, and then I came back and we have launched BakeMantra on 15th August.
Okay, so Independence Day is a good day, I think, to launch
Yes.
BakeMantra, and amazing. I am really impressed at this young age. You have done so much in culinary management and everything. And now let me also go to Mr. Vikas Chawla. Please, if you sir can introduce yourself and let me know about.
So I'm a consultant chef and I consult all kind of cuisines all across India and abroad. And my first millet introduction venture as a partner is Jumru, which we opened 1.5 years back, and it's a great appreciated one of the project in Mohali or Tri-City, and we got many awards for them, including one award from Governor of Telangana to introducing millets and doing wonderful recipes, because it's a myth that healthy foods are not delicious. So that we have already proved in Jumru.
So guys, let me tell you that Jumru are two branches of which is run by Mr. Vikas Chawla and Vansh Chawla. They are two restaurants in Sector 35C Chandigarh and also in Mohali, which are successfully running, and they are making some very nice and deliciously amazing recipes. I have already tried millet recipes, so I am sure and I am so impressed that my next question immediately is why millets and how millets? So what is this millet connection of the Chawlas? I am very interested.
So everyone asks me only these two questions at the start of any interview, wherever I go, the why millets.
Yeah.
So why millets is just, I got introduction of millets in my life in 2008, long time back, due to some reason maybe. And then gradually I started doing trials on millets in 2012, 13, 14. By 2015, it was a part of my life. It was a big time part of my life and my diet and all. Then I started organizing and being a part of events, government events and private events where millets was a part, and maybe especially by the government and some government organizations also like AIMS, PGIs, they were also holding such kind of events. So there I got a major connect with the people who are big time doing work on millets in their industry, and especially I got an introduction with Indian Institute of Millet Research, which is in Hyderabad, Nutri Hub. So it's world largest institute working on millets research. So I joined them as ambassador of millets, and from last 2 years I'm working with them, and that's how my millet journey. And now we'll work a lot on this, like we opened one restaurant and doing all kind of talk shows, demonstration all across country with government and semi-government parties.
Alright, so we already met the Millet Ambassador of India, but now I think it's time to really discuss what products and what ingredients do we use at BakeMantra and what makes us different from other bakeries and brands around. So can you please show me the biscuits we have?
Okay, so these are only millet based, 100% millet. There is no other starch we have mixed. And jaggery we are getting from Madhya Pradesh, which is best for organically grown jaggery, sugarcane. They don't use any pesticides. So this is very healthy
Can I
product.
show this on the
Yeah,
camera?
this is bajra.
This is bajra masala. If you look here, organically made from bajra grains, freshly procured from their own farm with a tinge of masala. And obviously, for the recipe, you have to come at BakeMantra because that's a secret.
Masala is like turmeric, masala is like kasuri methi, black pepper, saunf, these kind of
All Ayurvedic,
Indian palette, Ayurvedic
masalas, yeah.
Then jowar we have with fennel, saunf.
So we have the jowar saunf, which is the with fennel seeds. This is another variety of millet that is used.
And then ragi with ajwain.
Yeah, then we have ragi ajwain. This is a must try. I couldn't resist having this. I finished my box already, so when are you coming to grab yours? Ragi ajwain
And jowar with chocolate and cinnamon.
So jowar, this is for people who are like the
Chocolate.
Gen Z chocolatey, people who like some chocolatey flavor. So jowar, chocolate and cinnamon.
And you'll notice in all of our products, you'll see the strength of spices because we work on the digestive system. I work Ayurveda also. So as per that, we have designed all the recipes. Somewhere cinnamon is there, somewhere ajwain is there. So you'll find your cookies very healthy.
So I think basically the concept is कि जो Indian kitchen के मसाले how they are brought to life through their own recipes and how you can use them to build a immune system which is healthy and powerful.
Now he will tell you about brownie.
Okay, so Vansh is here now with another star ingredient
We
which
can
is the
show you the
millet
brownie.
brownie.
So this is a brownie.
Yeah, you can take a look.
So just like all of our products, it's made with 100% sorghum millet or jowar. Then we only have jaggery, no refined sugar, and it's completely gluten free because there's millet and no all-purpose flour.
Can I just? Oh guys, it just smells amazing in heaven. Very very nice. Okay, so another interesting question I have for the father-son chef duo is that what makes your millets different from others? One, and second, how do you procure your millets?
Okay, it's very different because we grow our own millets. We have contractual farming. In Sangrur, it's around 120 kilometers from here, and we grow it organically without using any pesticides. And as a manure, वो कहते हैं ना खाद, so we use the husk of millets only as a manure also. It works like a manure, and there is no pesticide there. So we are growing millets for ourselves, for our consumption, for our restaurant Jundu, and this BakeMantra. It's homegrown to be relaxed and tension free.
So guys, when you're coming in BakeMantra, you can be very relaxed because this is the mantra to the healthy and perfect lifestyle that you are looking for. Okay guys, so very interesting sequence is coming up now where I am myself intrigued and I really want to know कि ये father-son relationship का magic क्या है? How does this father-chef-son relationship work?
It works very well because he helps me out in my work. And I help in his work. So it makes both of our work easy to handle the thing and to execute and to do the R&D also.
So Vansh, how do you think your journey has credit of your father in it?
So it's always best to have a mentor who can tell you how everything's gonna be and what's the best and fastest and most helpful way to grow. Because to grow as a person, you first need good roots and then you can actually see what are the directions I need to take.
And also here I think very important key highlight is कि like how today males are breaking gender stereotypes in India. Because ऐसा हमारी society में अक्सर कहा जाता है कि females ही kitchen में हो. But I think you are perfect examples. I think आपकी मम्मा kitchen में भी जाते होंगे. But I think how are you guys breaking those stereotypes? आपका क्या मानना है कि is it related to gender या कैसे खाने का क्या concept?
Food is not related to gender. I think in ancient ages also, अगर आप इंडिया में बात करेंगे or any other country, even Italy, Europe, so the men cook a lot. And in just last 30-40 years, trend little bit changed. But I think we should stick to our cooking. All men should cook. Maybe he should boil a little cup of water in a pan, but he should experience one time just going near to the flame, because that will create the real sense in the mind. Not only eating good food is should experience cooking at least once in a day in your kitchen. You should do this.
And I think with the kind of lifestyle and the fast life we have these days, cooking is a very big stress buster. So how do you think for you, I think kitchen is real life. तो आप अपनी real life को kitchen के साथ कैसे fuse करते हैं?
See, fast life, what you asked, is good, but is not good. Like when I'm noticing that people are getting ill, you are earning a lot. You are working 24 hours sometimes. You are working 365 days sometimes without any break. But at last you are getting a lot of medicines. So it's not healthy. Just slow down a little bit. I don't say that stop working or slow down on work, but just think and just work on your body. Just eat right and do right. Always think right. So,
आजकल जैसे ये जो lifestyle diseases like thyroid, PCOS, other celiac diseases, gut issues are very very common, And how do you think millets and BakeMantra is help fighting ये जो diseases आ चुकी हैं? कौन सा millet कौन सी body के किस part पे कैसे work करता है? I'm really interested in that.
see, to just discuss this, which millet is good for which disease, it will take another episode.
For that we have another series.
We can just discuss in a brief that we get diseases just because of the modified grains, like refined sugars, refined oils. So these are the major part of our food from last 30-40 years. That's why we got all the diseases.
So my lovely viewers, I never end the video without a positive and a very inspiring message for all of you. So with the chefs in house today itself, I would request you to give a message about food and lifestyle to my audience.
So I always quote that always food with a positive mindset. When you are happy, only then just touch the pan. Otherwise, your negative energies, your anger or other bad emotions can destroy the structure of food and will impact other lives. This is very important.
And Vansh, can we also have something from you?
Okay, so I would like to say that a dish, any kind of dish, is not unhealthy in and of itself. It's always the ingredients we make it with.
Similarly, like we have pizzas. So pizza, which is available in Italy, is healthy for us. But when we copy it here, we change the quality of cheese, we change the quality of maida, we make it very unhealthy, like we are getting nowadays. You just order online, you get pizza at your home, that is not pizza. And when you get pizza at 99 rupees, that is not a pizza. So don't promote unhealthy things and save your lives.
And I think even our dadi and nanis used to tell us कि खाने से पहले say a prayer or something या भजन सुनते you should do, because वो भाव I think induce हो जाता है खाने की anatomy. Yeah, exactly. I think the खाने की anatomy gets affected by that. And also guys, so you now know the mantra to a healthy life is found at BakeMantra. So you can start your mantra to a healthy lifestyle and a healthy journey ahead with BakeMantra. I want to put this particular bakery and this outlet is located in NDC Sector 5, Panchkula. And you please come ahead, bring your friends and family and enjoy as much as I am enjoying my time and